Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to take your fishing adventures to the next level, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the best fishing kayaks of 2024, covering everything from stability and comfort to storage and tech features. Whether you're a seasoned angler or just starting out, these kayaks are sure to enhance your on-water experience. Let's get started. Number 6. Perception Pescador Pro 12. The Perception Pescador Pro 12 is a top choice among anglers looking for a reliable, durable, and feature-rich fishing kayak. Measuring 12 feet in length and weighing around 64 pounds, this kayak strikes a great balance between speed, stability, and portability. The sit-on-top design provides a stable platform for casting and reeling in your catch, while the multi-chine hull ensures smooth tracking and easy maneuverability, even in choppy waters. One of the standout features of the Pescador Pro 12 is its comfort-oriented seating system. The removable and adjustable mesh seat is designed for long days on the water, with 2 positions that allow you to switch between paddling and casting stances easily. The seat is also breathable, which helps keep you cool during warmer weather. In terms of storage, the Pescador Pro 12 is equipped with spacious front and rear open tank wells that can accommodate coolers, tackle boxes, and other gear. Bungee cords secure your items, ensuring they stay in place during your trip. The kayak also includes molded-in rod holders and accessory tracks, allowing you to customize your setup with fish finders, additional rod holders, or camera mounts. Durability is another strong point of the Pescador Pro 12. Made from high-density polyethylene, it's designed to withstand rough conditions and resist UV damage. The kayak also features a skid plate on the bottom, protecting it from wear and tear when launching or landing on rocky shorelines. With a maximum weight capacity of 375 pounds, the Pescador Pro 12 can accommodate both the angler and plenty of gear, making it a versatile choice for various fishing expeditions. Whether you're tackling a calm lake, a fast-moving river, or coastal waters, the Perception Pescador Pro 12 delivers consistent performance, making it a go-to option for serious anglers. Number 5. Lifetime Tamarack Angler 100. The Lifetime Tamarack Angler 100 is a highly popular fishing kayak known for its affordability, durability, and user-friendly design. Measuring 10 feet in length and weighing 52 pounds, this sit-on-top kayak is easy to transport and maneuver, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced anglers. Constructed from high-density polyethylene, it offers impressive strength and UV protection, ensuring it withstands the elements and lasts through years of use. The Tamarack Angler 100 features a stable flat bottom with deep tracking channels and stability chiny rails, providing a steady platform for casting and reeling in fish. It includes multiple footrest positions, allowing paddlers of different sizes to find a comfortable fit. Equipped with 2 flush-mounted rod holders, 1 top-mounted rod holder, and ample storage options, including front and rear shock cord straps, and 2 6-inch storage compartments in the rear and center, the Tamarack Angler 100 is designed to keep your gear organized and within reach. With its balanced mix of performance, comfort, and convenience, this kayak is an excellent option for those seeking a reliable fishing vessel without breaking the bank. Number 4. Elkton Outdoors Steelhead. The Elkton Outdoors Steelhead is a premium inflatable fishing kayak that combines portability with rugged performance, making it an excellent choice for anglers who need versatility on the water. Constructed from durable drop-stitch materials, this kayak is built to handle rough conditions, offering the stability and rigidity of a hard-shell kayak while maintaining the convenience of an inflatable. The Steelhead features a pointed bow with a rockered profile, which enhances tracking and maneuverability in various water conditions, from calm lakes to flowing rivers. It also comes equipped with a solid floor, allowing you to stand up securely while fishing, providing an advantage when casting or reeling in your catch. The kayak includes multiple mounting points for rods, cameras, and other accessories, as well as ample storage space with bungee tie-downs to keep your gear secure. Easy to inflate and deflate and lightweight for transportation, the Elkton Outdoors Steelhead is a top choice for anglers seeking a high-performing, portable solution that doesn't compromise on stability or functionality. Number 3. Brooklyn 13.0 Pro. The Brooklyn Kayak Company, BKC. 13.0 Pro is a top-of-the-line fishing kayak designed to meet the needs of serious anglers who demand performance, durability, and versatility in their equipment. Measuring 13 feet in length, this sit-on-top tandem kayak is crafted to offer a perfect balance between speed, stability, and comfort, making it ideal for various water conditions, from calm lakes to coastal waters and slow-moving rivers. Design and construction. The BKC 13.0 Pro is built with high-density polyethylene, HDPE, a material known for its durability and resistance to both impacts and UV damage. This robust construction ensures that the kayak can withstand the rigors of frequent use, including exposure to rough waters, rocky shorelines, and long hours under the sun. The HDPE material also contributes to the kayak's impressive buoyancy, ensuring a safe and steady ride even when fully loaded with gear. With a length of 13 feet and a width of 34 inches, the BKC 13.0 Pro offers a spacious platform that accommodates two paddlers comfortably, along with plenty of gear. The wide beam enhances the kayak's stability, allowing anglers to stand up for casting or sight fishing without worrying about tipping over. The kayak's multi-chine hull design further contributes to its stability, providing excellent tracking and smooth maneuverability, even in choppy conditions. Seating and comfort. One of the standout features of the BKC 13.0 Pro is its fully adjustable seating system. The kayak comes equipped with two ergonomic padded seats that offer excellent support for long days on the water. These seats are designed to keep you comfortable during extended trips, reducing the strain on your back and legs. The seats can be adjusted to multiple positions, allowing you to find the perfect angle for paddling, fishing, or simply relaxing. Number 2. Real Yaks Modular Fishing Kayak. The Real Yaks Modular Fishing Kayak is a game-changer in the world of fishing kayaks, combining cutting-edge modular design with the durability, stability, and functionality that serious anglers demand. This kayak redefines convenience and versatility, making it an ideal choice for those who want a high-performing fishing kayak without the traditional storage and transportation challenges. Whether you're a seasoned angler or just starting out, the Real Yaks Modular Fishing Kayak offers a unique blend of portability, customization, and on-water performance that sets it apart from conventional kayaks. Innovative modular design. At the heart of the Real Yaks Modular Fishing Kayak is its revolutionary modular design. Unlike traditional kayaks, which are typically large, cumbersome, and difficult to transport, the Real Yaks kayak is composed of multiple interlocking sections. These sections can be easily assembled and disassembled in a matter of minutes, allowing you to break the kayak down into more manageable pieces that can fit into the trunk of a car, an SUV, or even be carried by hand. This modular system offers unparalleled convenience, especially for anglers who live in urban areas, or those with limited storage space. No longer do you need a roof rack, trailer, or large garage to own a high-quality fishing kayak. The Real Yaks Modular Fishing Kayak can be stored in a closet, under a bed, or in a small storage unit when not in use, making it accessible to a wider range of users. Durability and build. Quality. Despite its modular nature, the Real Yaks Modular Fishing Kayak doesn't compromise on durability or performance. Each section of the kayak is constructed from high-density polyethylene, HDPE, a material renowned for its strength, durability, and resistance to impact and UV rays. This ensures that the kayak can withstand the harsh conditions often encountered during fishing trips. Number 1. Pelican Catch Mode 110. The Pelican Catch Mode 110 is a cutting-edge fishing kayak designed for anglers who demand the perfect blend of stability, comfort, and functionality in their watercraft. As part of Pelican's esteemed Catch series, the Catch Mode 110 is meticulously engineered to provide an optimal fishing experience, whether you're exploring serene lakes, winding rivers, or even coastal waters. This kayak is not just about getting you to your fishing spot. It's about enhancing every aspect of your fishing adventure. Design and construction. The Catch Mode 110 stands out with its sleek modern design that combines aesthetic appeal with practical functionality. Measuring 10 feet 8 inches in length and 34 inches wide, this kayak is designed to offer the ideal balance between speed, maneuverability, and stability. Its relatively compact size makes it easy to transport and store, yet it is spacious enough to accommodate all the gear you need for a full day on the water. Constructed using Pelican's proprietary Ram XTM premium material, the Catch Mode 110 is built to last. Ram XTM. Premium is a multi-layer polyethylene material known for its exceptional durability and impact resistance, ensuring that the kayak can withstand the rigors of frequent use in various water conditions. The material also offers UV protection, preventing the kayak from fading or deteriorating when exposed to sunlight over time. One of the key design features of the Catch Mode 110 is its twin-arched multi-chine hull. This hull design provides superior stability, making the kayak virtually untippable, even in rougher waters or when the angler is standing. The stability offered by this hull design is crucial for anglers who need a steady platform for casting, reeling, and even standing to get a better vantage point while fishing.